This dude right here, the GOAT, up and coming.
YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Josh, back with another video. But in this video, I'm in Knoxville, Tennessee, at the Tennessee Barber Expo. It's about 8 o'clock. The show started at 8. I woke up a little late, but I'm on the way there, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Let me show y'all what I'm working with on the kicks today. I got on a Travis Scott 6s. Travis Scott 6s. That's what I had to wear to the show. So, yep, that's the footwork. YouTube, I'm here at the Tennessee Barber Expo. I'm walking into the convention center right now. The classes started at 8 o'clock, like I said. So, let's see what's going on the inside. Put your Instagram on there.
My Instagram is Joshxbarber1990.
Alright, y'all go follow him. James Burnett 1990.
I call it real spell.
You know what they're gonna say after that? That was a dirty barber. Even though it's not a dirty barber, their ingrown hairs are cutting the hair too short. You don't want your rep to be around the town as that dirty barber that don't clean his clippers because you didn't know how to cut the hair properly and cut it too short. So I always ask my client, take the shaver. If you take the shaver, then we proceed. Now I got the okay. So you can take it. Even if you bump up, like, look man, I asked you before, save yourself a little bit.
Clipper open, faded down, took that line out. And in the shot, what I would do, I would put on a number 3, 2, 1, and work my way down. I like to fade down. What fading down does, it preserves weight and it preserves shape, right? So that's why I fade down. But this technique is a little different. So what I have in this section is a number 2 area.
What's up, man? What's up?
Extra large. What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
I'll say what's up to the YouTube.
What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? Where y'all at? We at Tennessee Barber Expo, man.
Yeah. I got my guy Lake right here, man. Where you from, dog?
Lake. I'm from Louisiana, Missouri. Moved to Jacksonville, Illinois.
That's what's up.
Follow me on the ground.
Follow him on his ground.
Up and coming.
Lake,
I'm next up.
hold on, let me get it right. Let me get it right. Let me get it. I get it, bro. I get it, bro. I get it in there. YouTube, what's up? Right now, I'm finna go to the car. I gotta drive to my girl's dorm room real quick. The guy, Chris Bacio, over at 245, he needed a mount for his phone, for his chest like mount, so he can record. So I'm about to go grab this for him, make somebody's day, you know what I mean? So I see you when I get back at the convention center. So I got the piece for him that he needed, so we're finna take it to him. Alright, bro. Yeah, what's up?
My man.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, man. Johnny Blaze, man. Joshxbarber on Instagram, man. I'm from Chattanooga, man. I'm here at the Tennessee Barber.
We here.
It's big, man. A lot of people here. It's a good turnout. We're gonna go into the real convention center, man. Go buy some stuff. But right now, watch this little video. It's nice.
Yeah. Y'all go watch my boy. Go follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put his link in my description. Got that boy Lou. Everybody in that hole. Everybody in that hole.
We finessing by nature, bro. That's
It's the whole city. My city. It's the whole city of Check Town. Check Town. I got the boy 12 and that thing, right?
Yeah. Alright, Joshxbarber. I hear some things about you. Your barber student, eh?
Yeah.
Up and coming, eh?
Yeah. Your name Josh, right? Yeah. Okay, Beef Lover Barber. Pleased to meet you, man. I seen you. I'm not you there to share my thing to your story. I think I did. Let me make sure I got you on the gram before you roll off. Let's see what I'm finna buy. What's up, man? I'm doing good. How much are these right here?
The pins are only $5.
$5?
Yep. We got the little Hair Jordan and the LV with the double razor.
Alright. Let's see what I can do. I'm gonna cop this right here. Let's see. Are these towels right here?
Yep. Shot towels. One side sublimated, the other side cotton. It's only $5 as well. We have the all-white looking one, advanced check, and then our brand.
I'm gonna get this right here.
One with LV.
Thank you. Nah, how about that? I like that. Yeah. They say LV, but it's made out of the right, $5. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Josh. Finna go on the show. I went to the car to get my case. I got a battle like in 2 hours, so you know we finna walk in here.
No.
Oh, I gotta pay for you to get in. I'm tripping.
Keep recording?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can go right through them glass doors on the end, go upstairs, there's ATMs. How you doing? She's good to go.
get it before and now.
Barbers, please clean up your stations, your areas where you're competing. We're going to do the design category next, but please speak up.
Hey, buddy.
Alright, so it looks like we have a pretty set amount of barbers up here, so I need you barbers to make a little room. Don't bring your whole barbershop to the competition. Make some room for the other barbers so they can...
Barbers up here putting in work. Clippers down, it's over, students, it's over. You did it, you competed. Came, you saw, you conquered, undraped. Everybody to the back.
We want you guys to own something. Just so you know, just because you own a barbershop in someone else's building, you just own the sign. If you choose to go up on your lease next year, or when your lease is up, you can be kicked out. I've seen it happen to several businesses. So we're going to talk about the business aspect of barbering, ladies and gentlemen. All day Monday.
I heard my boy said, man, at the Tennessee Barber Expo.
Y'all follow me at Said the Barber on Instagram and Said the Barber on YouTube. We at the Tennessee Barber Expo. We getting it in. We both student barbers, and we doing what we do.
Yeah, you know it. So go do that for my boy. I'll put his link in the description.
Number 9, student category. Number 9, chair 9.
Gotta be. No doubt. No doubt.
Make sure you get his face when they don't say he's
right.
Levert S. Curl. You're too young to know what Levert is.
I'm nervous.
First place winner in the student category. Barber and model number 2. Number 2. Oh, you won one.
I go to school with him.
Hey, my friend. You got friends, bro.
don't like some of these other people that's up here. You got friends.